Hey guys, it's me, Is here, and in yesterday's video, we gave you a hint that's going to be something for breakfast and cooking. Well, here it is. It's pancakes! Pancake art. That's going to be colored pancakes. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. So let's get started. I have this pancake mix, and I'm going to dump it into the bowl. Our pancake mix is 1 cup, so we're going to start. Make sure you pour all of it in. And then, like I said, our pancake mix said 1/4 of water, 3/4 of water. So let's pour it in. And make sure to mix all the way, or else it would be powdery, and we don't want that. We want it to be nice and smooth, which is my favorite kinds of pancakes. So make sure you get all the flour from the bottom, or pancake mix from the bottom of it. And make sure you get the size of it. I love making pancakes because they taste so good. So I mixed all of it in, and I'm going to put this to the side. And I got these 3 containers with pancake mix on it so I can make pancake art. So I'm going to just put this to the side. So I got my griddle on 350, and I just wait till it's steaming, or if it's hot, like if I put my hand over it, if it's hot. So I got cooking spray to put over it because you don't want your pancakes to stick to the griddle. And make sure to put it on the sides because it works really well. See how it's steaming? That means it's going to be good. And make sure to have an adult with you, or permission, or anything, just in case you're too young, or just make sure to have an adult with you. So I have these 3 containers that I use pancake art with, and these go on top of the lid, and it has like a little hole right here so I can make different designs. I'm going to put this down a little bit lower because it's a little bit too hot. So I got these 4 food colorings: turquoise, purple, orange, and pink. I love all these colors. So I only have 3 containers, so I'm going to put 3 food colorings that I want. So I got pink. So you just want to add 1 drop because food coloring is very strong. And if it gets too strong, it might make it very liquidy or very dark. But it only depends what you want. So I picked pink, purple, and blue. This is so much fun to do. I love to cook this, or make this, because I love the colors whenever it turns. So I just put the lids on and I shake it, so then it won't make a big mess whenever I mix it, because it's like filled to the top. So if I mix it, it might get on the counters, or whatever it's on, and it might dye it, which I don't want. And this is so easy to make, so I'm just mixing it up. And look, it's starting to turn turquoise and pink. It's like maracas. So turquoise and pink. Now I gotta do purple. It's magic! I love to do this. And to put it in the containers, I used a funnel. I used this big funnel right here. I was going to use this one, but then it was too little, the holes. So that's why I didn't use that one. So I'm going to start making some shapes and stuff. First, I'm going to make a unicorn horn. I love making unicorn horns. make whatever shape you would want to. This could be a very good Christmas present to someone. It'd be a very good Christmas present. And this is good to give to friends and family, because I bet they would love what you made. That is so pretty. And I love the marble effect on it since I didn't mix it all the way. So it made kind of this purplish, pinkish, bluish marble effect. And whenever the pancake is done, it would have bubbles on it or it burnt on the edges. So now I'm gonna make a flag of these 3 colors. I love making all these shapes because it's so much fun to make. That kind of looks like a beach. I love it. It kind of looks like a beach. So since it's not heating up a lot, I'm going to turn it up now. I'm going to turn it up to 300. Then I'm going to make some circles and hearts. And sometimes I mess up, so I saved blobs. And this can be a fun thing to do whenever you have all these ingredients and you don't know what to do with them. And it makes it more colorful and more fun to do. This looks so pretty. It looks like the unicorn horn is almost done. So I got my spatula, and I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna try to flip it. It's not ready yet, so I'm gonna turn it up higher so it can be more ready. And I love making pancake art. It is so much fun to make. And I love watching the bubbles pop up. That's my favorite part. So I'm gonna flip it right now. It looks so pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!